Welcome back to The Busy Vegan Mom. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most amazing, tasty, healthy, clean pear butter. It's, oh my gosh, so good. But before we do that, go and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my plant-based inspiration. Be sure to hit like as well so it helps out with the algorithm. And now for the ingredients. You'll need about 6 pears for this recipe, about 3 pounds of pears, which equals 6. I'm choosing to use monk fruit sweetener instead of the brown sugar, and that way it's a little more healthier. Some lemon juice, some cinnamon, ground nutmeg, ground allspice, ground ginger. It also calls for ground cloves. Mine were not ground, so I'm going to grind them up myself. Some ground cardamom, and also some water. Now, here's your instructions. You'll first want to peel the pears. I'm just using a potato peeler here. I ended up moving over to the sink and peeling these over the sink. And the next is the chopping up. I found that when chopping up all these pears, it really reminded me of a mango just because there is so much core in a mango, and you'll know if you've chopped one up before, it's like more core than it is fruit in a sense. So chop up your pears, and while we're chopping up our pears, I just wanted to share with you that pears are highly nutritious. They come in many different varieties. They may promote gut health. They contain beneficial plant compounds. They have anti-inflammatory properties. They may offer anti-cancer effects, and they are linked to lower risk of diabetes. As you'll see, I've started to add my ingredients into a large pot. That was our pears that were all chopped up, our water, as well as our monk fruit sweetener, chopping up my lemon, and then just pouring about 2 tablespoons worth of lemon juice. I just squeezed it right from the lemon and eyeballed it, and it came out just fine. I'm putting in all of my spices, my pinch of the ground cloves, and once that comes to a boil, you'll want to lower the heat down to medium-low, cover it partially with a lid, and stir it about every 10 minutes so that way the bottom doesn't get scorched. I initially put this for 50 minutes, but felt that 60 minutes might be more beneficial as my pears weren't quite as ripe as I would have wanted them to be. And I just set a little timer for every 10 minutes to remind myself to stir. After it was done cooking for the full hour, I transferred this over into a blender. And you guessed it, then I just blended it up. I didn't blend it up to be completely like all the way mixed up, because this is pear butter, so you want it to still be a little bit clumpy. Perfect. I think it turned out just perfect. And next is the fun part. I get to put it in a cute little jar. And now for the taste test. Ooh. Wanna try a little bit? Taste. Is it good? Hold on, is it good? I'll hold it. Pear butter is great for spreading on whole grain toast, bagels, rice cakes, or in recipes like layering it in the middle of oat bars, or even spreading it on bananas or on top of your fall pumpkin cakes, a fruit dip. You can really use it however you want. It's just so good. I put some on some whole grain toast for Berkeley and I. We each had a piece. It was so lovely. I hope you'll try this lovely fall recipe and let me know how it turns out for you. I don't doubt that it will be magnificent. Happy fall to you all. If you are enjoying my content and my videos and you'd like to support my channel further, you can go to buymeacoffee.com/thebusyveganmom. I share videos with you every Monday and Friday, so be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my plant-based inspiration. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it. See you all next week.